watching TV, and I'm gonna share tips. How can you prevent it? There are two things that are being linked to bad behavior from watching different types of TV series. The first one is what we call violence. Violence is the behavior involving physical force intended to hurt, damage, or kill someone. How can we prevent it? First, understand what is the content and ask yourself, is this a violent action? Second, differentiate between fiction and real life, so you won't have misunderstandings in bullying others. The second one is what we call profanity. Profanity is the use of vulgar or bad language. How can we prevent it? First, find out why and explain the meaning of words. Second, browse the source of your emotions and express them in a positive way. So these are the things that we need to take on so that we won't be a victim of this problem and away from aggressiveness to incidents. Thank you.